Unraveling the Volume Bar, a simple guide. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might come across while using electronics, specifically when dealing with audio or video content. The term is volume bar. It's straightforward but vital in understanding and controlling the sound level on various devices. Whether you're a beginner in English or just curious about tech-related vocabulary, this video will clarify what a volume bar is and how it's used in everyday language. A volume bar is a visual element commonly found on electronic devices or within software applications that allows users to adjust the loudness of the audio. It is usually represented by a horizontal or vertical line with a slider that can be moved left or right, or up and down, to increase or decrease the volume. When you're watching a video or listening to music on your phone, computer, or TV, you'll interact with the volume bar to find the perfect sound level for your environment. Let's break down the volume bar. Slider. This is the part you move to adjust the volume. It often looks like a small circle or rectangle. Track. The area the slider moves along. It can sometimes show levels, indicating how loud or soft the volume is. Icons. Usually, there are symbols at each end of the volume bar. A speaker with sound waves at one end indicates maximum volume, and a speaker with no sound waves, or an X, next to it, indicates mute. Now, let's see how to use volume bar in everyday sentences. Can you please turn up the volume bar? I can barely hear the movie. My cat walked on the keyboard and maxed out the volume bar. It scared me to death. The volume bar on this app is very responsive. It only takes a slight drag to adjust the sound precisely. The concept of a volume bar extends beyond just your smartphone or computer. On TV remotes, the volume bar appears on screen when you press the volume buttons. In cars, the volume bar might appear on the touchscreen of an infotainment system when adjusting the stereo's volume. Speakers and sound systems with digital interfaces display a volume bar when the volume knob is turned. That's it for our look at the volume bar. We hope this video has turned up the volume on your understanding of this common but important feature in modern devices. Now, when you adjust the sound on your device, you'll know exactly what you're dealing with. Keep practicing your English, and don't hesitate to rewind and review this video if you need to. Until next time, keep the learning volume high.